Hi friends, my name's Miss Lauren, and today we're going to sing a nice good morning song. And we're going to move our bodies so we can have a good morning. Good morning. Gonna have a good morning. Good morning. Gonna have a good morning. All right, now we're gonna move our bodies a little bit so we can start to feel good and focused throughout the day. Touch the sky, good morning. Gonna have a good morning. Touch our toes, good morning. Gonna have a good morning. All right, now we're gonna start to move energy out of our bodies. So we're gonna shake and jump. Jump, 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 good morning. Gonna have a good morning. Jump, 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 good morning. Gonna have a good morning. Now we're gonna sway like the trees. Feels so good to sway, 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 sway. Good morning. Gonna have a good morning. Sway, sway, sway. Good morning. Gonna have a good morning. Now we're gonna practice breathing. So when we breathe, it's like we're taking a deep smell of a flower. And then when we breathe out, it's like we're blowing bubbles. Breathe in, good morning. We're gonna have a good morning. Breathe out, good morning. We're gonna have a good morning. Wow, I feel so much better after breathing and moving. I feel like we're gonna have a good morning. Good morning. Gonna have a good morning. I hope you guys have a good morning. This was so much fun. If you're looking for more ways to bring these lessons to life, check out autismlearningworlds.com. We have a full library of interactive games and printable activities designed specifically to support kids with autism and special needs.